Well, hello, this is Diamond from Simply Joy Soap Co., and I'm excited to see you today. Today, we are going to be making a very luxurious salt scrub. Now, guys, if you want the recipe, the written recipe, and the tutorial together, you get the tutorial here, but you get the written recipe linked in the description box, okay? So you can either buy the recipe from my website, guys, or you can purchase the recipe in the Patreon. It is always better to join the Patreon because the Patreon is full of candle making recipes, skincare recipes, unlimited access to hundreds of recipes, okay? So I'm excited about this recipe that we're going to be doing today. Go ahead and like the video for me, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification button so you don't miss anything. We're going to be using mango butter. We're going to be using polysorbate 80, sunflower oil, sweet almond oil. We're going to be using emulsifying wax. You could use emulsifying wax, soft and silky, NF, whatever you want to use. We're going to be using some cetyl alcohol, and that's mango butter right there that I just showed you guys. And for the cool down phase, we're just going to be using some fine sea salt, and we're going to be using a preservative and also fragrance and vitamin E. Very simple. Okay, so first things first, you're going to take your heated phase, and you are going to put all of your ingredients into a heat-proof container, and you're going to heat it up, melt everything down, and then you're going to add the salt. Now, this recipe is very, very simple. You cannot mess this up, okay? So you're going to add the salt, and for me, guys, I like mine to be not too thick, okay? It's a way to make it to where as though it's like extremely thick. I try not to make mine thick. So we're going to let this fully solidify after we add our salt, but I want to talk about the benefits of a salt scrub. So when it comes down to a salt scrub removes dead skin cells. It helps unclog pores and prevents ingrown hairs. It's definitely good for us ladies who love to shave. It brightens your skin. It contains magnesium, potassium, calcium, and it may help detoxify and promote circulation, okay? It improves your tone and texture. And honestly, when it comes down to salt scrubs, we don't use them every single day. Now, this particular salt scrub is going to rinse clean. It's not going to leave a greasy film. It has moisturizing oils and butters in it to soften the skin. And it's also easier and less messy than any traditional oil scrub, okay? Now, when it comes down to a salt scrub, you want to do it just once a week, okay? You don't want to do this every day. I use sugar scrubs all the time, but salt scrubs is a little bit more abrasive. So you have to make sure that, you can use it on your feet, your body, your elbows, things like that, but just don't use it every day. So I added a little blue mica because mine is going to be called a deep sea scrub. So I wanted to have like a little blue, and you guys will see in the end like how I'm bringing it all together. Okay, so you want to take everything and you want to just kind of put the mica in there, your fragrance in there. Just make sure you put your salt into your heated phase after it kind of cooled down, because salt does melt if it's put in extreme heat. So you don't want it to be too hot, but you can put it in there while it's warm. All right, so you're going to mix everything together, and then you're going to wait for it to solidify. And once it's solidified, now as you guys notice, I didn't use any kind of hand mixers or anything like that. You are more than welcome to do that. I just kind of mix mine up by hand. Okay, so this is the texture of it, and I'm going to show you guys a little bit more, but this is a very beautiful soft texture. I don't like them too runny, because some people make salt scrubs and they just kind of like them to be runny and wet. I don't like that texture. I like everything to be firm, because I want to be able to pick it up by like a ball in the shower and just kind of take it in my hands and scrub it. So I like it better that way. Okay, now guys, you can add different sudsing agents to it. You can add SLSA, and that will give you a nice lather, but ultimately you really don't need a lather with this. So I want you guys to just check out this texture. It is so beautiful. Now, when it comes down to pricing salt scrubs, of course, sugar scrubs, salt scrubs, two different types of scrubs, the prices really do not differ too much, so for an 8-ounce salt scrub, I normally sell mine between $10 to $12, and that's probably the same that I make my sugar scrubs. Okay, so this is the texture, as you guys can see, nice and thick. I'm going to go ahead and put it into this jar. Now, I will tell you this, guys. This jar was actually like a 2-ounce jar, but I was able to put almost, I think, like 8 ounces of product into this 2-ounce jar, which is so strange to me. I was like, oh my God, I don't know how this happened, but it happened. Maybe it was 4 ounces. I don't know. I bought these jars a long time ago. But anyway, these are some double walled jars. I wanted to use that. So I'm just pretty much smoothing out the top because I love to have a smooth appearance. Whenever my customer open up a jar, I love to have that smooth appearance. And then on the top, I'm going to add a little bit of my Himalayan. No, I'm actually using sea salt, but I'm using the more coarse grain, okay? And I'm not putting it inside of the actual scrub because it's pretty coarse, but I just used it to just give it a nice little look, okay? I really like it. It kind of looked like, just like kind of like under the sea water. It just reminds me of a sea, and that's why I came up with the whole theme. Well, anyway, guys, I'm adding a little bit more to the top. It came out really good, and so this is the final product, guys. I'm about to show you guys the final product, but before I do that, I want you guys to go ahead and subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, hit the notification bell. I will see you again for the next video. All right.